If you think decoders are just for video output, you're missing out. Today we reveal the ultimate security tool, the ACTi Decoder, certified by Taiwan IoT Cybersecurity. It crushes access in both performance and price, delivering premium features at 30–50% less cost. First, let's talk about image clarity. The ACTi Decoder supports resolutions up to 960x480, offering clear visuals in control rooms, nurse stations, and train platforms. This ensures that no movement or incident goes unnoticed, improving response accuracy and forensic review. Second, it supports PTZ control via serial port. Whether tracking high-value assets in factories, managing sensitive areas in hospitals, or observing movement at transit gates, you get real-time dynamic coverage that traditional decoders simply can't match. Third, choose between single and multi-channel output. Manage multiple streams simultaneously in factories, consolidate views across hospital wards, or monitor large-scale transit hubs from one dashboard. Efficiency, centralization, and simplicity, all in one. Fourth, this device thrives in extreme conditions, operating from 40 degrees C to 76 degrees. From freezing storage rooms to overheated enclosures, it stays online, ensuring constant coverage even in the toughest industrial or transport settings. Fifth, data security is paramount. With HTTPS secure transmission, the ACTi Decoder prevents hacking, protects critical video data, and complies with cybersecurity standards, ideal for healthcare, government, and infrastructure projects. 6. It integrates with digital input-output devices. In case of intrusion or emergency, you can automatically trigger alarms, lock doors, or activate lights, making it a smart partner for automation in factories, hospitals, or stations. 7. Two-way audio enhances real-time interaction. Security personnel can speak with visitors, hospital staff can communicate with patients, and transit authorities can confirm passenger IDs without delay from the control center. 8. It's ONVIF compliant. Easily integrate different brands of cameras and existing systems into one streamlined platform. Perfect for legacy upgrades or multi-vendor environments, saving time, effort, and cost. Why choose the ACTi Decoder? Because it delivers premium features, HTTPS, extreme temperature durability, multi-stream support, at a price 30–50% lower than Axis. System integrators, SIs, love it for easy deployment, high compatibility, and lower TCO. It's built for high security environments and future scalability. This is not just another decoder. It's a strategic upgrade for those who demand performance, compliance, and savings all at once. Say goodbye to overpriced hardware and hello to smarter, leaner operations. Don't let outdated technology slow your security down. The ACTi Decoder is your ticket to smarter surveillance, real-time response, and massive savings. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, or public transit, this decoder will transform your command center. Reach out today to learn more or book a demo. Your smarter security journey starts here. ACTi Decoder.